Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif which is titled as Flower Crystal. We have the crystals inside and the flower petals outside, and it's a a great decorative piece for any project of our liking. Okay, let's go into the video immediately friends. Chain 6, slip stitch and join to form a ring. So either start with chain 4 which counts as 3 DC and chain 1, or make a double crochet, standing double crochet as the first double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet 11 times. This is one chain 1 double crochet 11 times in the ring. So we'll have 12 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces. So continue, chain 1, a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet. So we should have 12 double crochets and 12 chain 1 spaces in the ring at the end of first round. So complete it. I shall also complete and get back. So I've come to the end of the round here. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the first double crochet or the third chain of chain 4. Here we go. Yes. Now in the same stitch, make chain 3, which is considered as first double crochet, and chain 3, place a popcorn in the next double crochet, that is 5 DC popcorn. Make 5 double crochets, remove the hook from the stitch, insert from the first double crochet, pick up the loop from the last double crochet and pull through. So one popcorn is made. Chain 3, a double crochet in the next double crochet, chain 3, popcorn in the next. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall also complete and get back. You will have 6 popcorns and 6 double crochets separated by chain 3 spaces. So continue the round and complete the stitches. I shall also complete the round and get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. We have 6 popcorns and 6 double crochets, and in the third chain of the first chains, slip stitch. I have made 3 chains after the popcorn. And in the same chain 1 and make a single crochet in that same space, same stitch rather, chain 4, single crochet in the popcorn, chain 4, single crochet on the double crochet. So this round is a very simple round of chains and single crochets. So continue till the end. I shall meet you when I come back to the starting point. Come to the end of the round here, slip stitch to the first single crochet, and instead of slip stitching into the chain space, we can straight away start working on the stitches. We need to place 1 half double, 1 double, 1 treble, 1 double treble, again 1 treble, 1 double and 1 half double. So many stitches we have to place in the chain space, chain 4 space. So having slip stitch and join here, make a half double crochet. Slip stitch is not necessary. place a stitch marker in the half double crochet. We need to come and slip stitch, join and wind off at this particular point. Now one double crochet. Let me pull the yarn. Hey, come. We are using different stitch heights. Treble, double treble, again a treble, a double and a half double. Here we go. So place this set of stitches in each of the chain 4 spaces. I shall complete and get back. Totally you should have 12 sets. I've come to the end of the round here. I've placed my last half double crochet. Now slip stitch to the first half double crochet we did from behind. Pull it from back. Pull it little bigger loop and fasten it. So here we go. Here we have the beautiful flower crystal. This is a beautiful flower crystal. This I worked with multicolor yarn with color code 3040. This is the color yarn I've used. Okay, hope you enjoyed the stitch, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you, friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.